So hi guys, I was just deep dive navigating this website PulseX and find very interesting things and calculator by which you can pre-plan that how you can boost your income while stacking in pool farm and liquidity in PulseX fund. So before proceeding the video, please do not forget to subscribe YouTube channel if you are visiting first time, and if you are the old, please follow our all social media and promote us guys. Okay, so what you need to do before proceeding, I would like to show you my interest. The interest is declined from 500 to 43% APR here. So the time before 2 days I was earning here $1,200 and $1,600 around within 24 hours, and now I'm earning only $600. So almost it is half, but no issue for that. Is not bad also. If you are staking 10 million of your tokens, which is according to current price 0.0084, it is just quite good guys. So I would like to harvest here, so make it confirm. Keep harvesting your token guys, keep harvesting. Okay, and after this I would like to draw your kind attention please guys, that how you have to calculate on the basis of daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and for 5-year. Calculator is over there. I like this feature very much guys, because you can plan your future of staking and the income, how much you want to generate guys. So I just cash out guys, and you can see my balance over here. So here you can see guys, I got PRT, enough PRT I am having in my wallet. So guys, you would click over here in this symbol. So here this is the ROI calculator. This is ROI calculator, and you can find a lot of things there. Such you're gonna find different things over there, just like this is friend, and you can just stake for 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, 1 year, and 5 year. Okay, so let me click over my balances, so it would not work, and also you can do here. So this is the very good calculator, and let me click over there. I just clicked over there, and I am having 15,000 approx USDC, and this much amount of the PLX. You can do vice versa. Okay guys, so here suppose I want to stake for $1,000. Okay, so here for 1 day I would get ROI 0.12. okay, this much 0.12 guys, and if we talk for 7 days I would get 0.83, for 30 days 3.61, for 1 year it's 54% APR, and for 5 year this would be 766%. So almost it would be 7x guys, 7x. I would have 7.6x you can say. So it's not bad in terms of the token if we are staking guys, because the price appreciation would be so much, as I think after 5 year your token would worth around almost plus $1 minimum, and maximum it could also hit $10, guys. $10 definitely. See the example of Phantom and also many other. It is the blockchain, although it is our DEX token, so you can compare to any other token just like PancakeSwap and Uniswap and also many more, which is already 100x within a year. So it can definitely go 10,000x within 2 to maximum 4 year, guys, or even more than that. 1 lakh x can also go. Check your balance is just 2 like that, and details are over there. Okay, so what are here, guys? Calculated based on current rates. All figures are estimates provide for your convenience only and by no means represent guaranteed return. It is not guaranteed return. Get PLSX. So if we click over there, you would get such a link and it redirect to another one, guys. Okay, so I'm just trying to learn the things. PRT, you can also confirm from there, you can also harvest directly from there, and this is after 12 days my staking period would be close here, so I would need to restake again, guys. Okay, so this is the feature. And on the other hand, if we talk regarding the more features, they have not created yet, but the information you can find as many tokens are coming. But in still Kira and Mintra is very much pumping. Mintra, Hadron, Party, Pulse Dozy. Okay, guys. Uniswap is also there, Stormax is also there, Sibdozi also there, CRO also there, so Axie Infinity is also arrived. So a lot of pools are there working, guys, but we have to focus on PLS, PLSX, HEX and HDRN, guys. PLS is maintaining its price 0.22 and not going below than. It's actually started with 0.0002, 0.0025, 24 around, and then in sideways, and then it pumped. So this could also be the market scenario, guys. Can start with almost ICO price. Yeah, it is almost 2.2x from ICO price, guys. So make it your strategy, guys, because the people who would just be frustrated and sell out from this zone would not be able to buy in this zone. Just see the difference, guys. 0.0022 and 0.0023, almost 10x there. It is 20x, guys, and now it is much more, approx 30x. Okay, so sell here and from there just again buy here, dip buy here, almost 10x minus. Then you also have the chance to sell here and then wait and buy here, sell here and buy here, and wait for a while, guys. On the other hand, if we talk regarding PLSX, the condition of PLSX is not so good. in terms of price and sustainability. It started with the same 0.0013 not. It was the worst price, friend. It was only 0.3x, and it pumped after that almost it pumped very nice, almost 20x, 25x they pumped, and they dumped again 15x around, and then pump, dump, and again it is also in dumping condition. Okay, so use your mind, guys. There, sorry for this, because this is my sleep time, guys. I rise early in the morning to do meditation and yoga and be ready for Pulsion live, as I need to work much harder for that and need to arise throughout the day. While it would launch, I would continuously giving you the updates, guys, as my full nights and days are dedicated to the community. And this is Hex. Oh god, what a prize. I love it. I would like to reach such a prize, so want to cash out and clear my credits, guys. This one $37, so it could also reach the price $37, guys. So remember, PHEX price could launch with 0.1 to 0.01 also, and after some time it can pump to here. That could be awesome, guys, awesome. And again it dipped, so anything could be happen, depend on the people, how they sell, they buy, they hodl, they stick, what they do. So do your own research, guys. It is only testnet, not any fixed price, but the pattern would be follow approximately same, maybe 15 to 20, but could follow the same. See you in the next video, guys. And here, see, hydrogen is pumping now. As I told you in my previous video, it is pumping, almost pumped, friend. Very nice. You can see, guys, it's pump approx 20% within 24 hours, and Hex is also climbing up smartly. Okay, guys, see you.